There's so much contamination present in our soil that we can't fix everything. And where we do spend efforts to fix and to remediate contamination in the soil, we need to do that as effectively as possible, as quickly as possible, and as efficiently as possible. Our solution helps consultants doing soil remediation to do exactly that. We offer a measurement technique with our iFLUX samplers that enables high resolution soil characterization. How it works is it's a passive sampling system, meaning it's not sending data, it's a field test. It gets installed in the field. In existing wells, we can make them to all different sizes for existing wells. And once it's installed, unlike a conventional measurement, which would be taking a sample gives you a snapshot of what's in the well at that moment in time. What we do is we have more like a video clip of what's happened over time by leaving our sampler exposed for a number of weeks, somewhere between 2 weeks and 2 months. And what we typically measure are a combination of water flux and contaminant flux, so mass flux. How this works is there's tracer alcohols put onto the cartridge before installation. As groundwater flows through the system, the tracer alcohols are washed away, and we measure in our lab with our lab partner SGS how many are left after the measurement period. And so we can deduce how much water has flowed through the system. And on the bottom here, you see the kind of inverse principle. We have adsorbents. So as groundwater moves through the system, carrying with it molecules of contamination, they attach themselves to the absorbents. In the lab, they get released. We measure how many were absorbed, and we can say how much contaminant has been moving through the soil. So when you combine those two, you get your average flux concentration of your contamination, which allows you to get a really good understanding of how your plume is evolving underground. It allows you to take more targeted actions to either fix that or to create barriers for your remediation.